Put it in your pocket.
Jimmy Rocket.
I think you were right about my high heels. I'll listen to the next one.
What's down there? Is dinner down there? This is gonna be fun.
Why? Nana and Lauren, did they ride?
Yes. There's one person around here might be able to help you. Might.
Mom!
Actually,
Do you want to go watch a movie with Alicia? You go inside. You should get a seat for Lauren.
She said, I'm very excited. I can smell fleas from my toilet. What's it
Down there, Lauren. Pushed away. Hello, Andy.
Hello. Really hot.
How hot do you think it is today?
Egg frying hot. It's about. Well, it says it on the sign. About 37 degrees or something.
It's hot, hot. Can top up my sunburn.
Hot, hot.
Don't record me because I'm not colour coordinated. We've got black carpet sheets on. Oh, gorgeous. It's hot.
To our apartment.
Oh, the police
There
do
is Fred.
Well, with the cleaners there, they're on their way round.
And here is the pool. And there's the Benito Club.
Really thought I'd never make this move through the market. I know what we are.
Breadfruit.
Put your hand back here. Can you grab on with this hand? Now, this leg. This leg up. There's Grandad again.
No good, none of them will go. You need to do it again because it didn't work that time.
I'll show them.
Yeah, okay. So you need to take these up and start again. Okay?
That's so weird. Hurry up.
Regarde, les regards ont rajeuni, si nos yeux sont toujours les mêmes. Et depuis le papier jauni, on a nos âmes en harmonie. On s'aime. Ces deux azous sur la photo, fiers devant leur premier auto. Voyage de noces à Barbizon, 20 ans. Ces deux azous endimanchés ressemblent, à bien nous y pencher, aux grands-parents de nos petits-enfants. Regarde, nos regards ont rajeuni, si nos yeux sont toujours les mêmes. Et depuis le papier jauni, on a nos âmes en harmonie. On s'aime.